Hey, this is Morgan, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to release the scalene muscles in 4 moves. Now the scalenes are the muscles that you see when David Banner, the scientist, is turning into the Incredible Hulk, and he's being irritated by people and he's telling them, you don't want to get me mad, and then all of a sudden he changes into the Incredible Hulk and his eyes are turning super bright green, and then he goes like this. Turns. See these muscles here? These are the scalenes. So the scalene muscles, they help you to inhale, and they help you to rotate your head left and right, and they also help you to flex your neck. So when your head is in a forward head posture position for a long period of time, they actually can get short. So I'm going to show you 4 moves that are going to help you release these scalene muscles. So the first move is an SCM massage. So in another video I actually showed you how to do it with the opposite hand, but actually I realized right now it's a little easier using the same side hand. So you want to take your thumb and forefinger and you want to pinch this long muscle. It's like a pillar, okay? So you want to pinch it and hold it for about 8 to 12 seconds. So you want to take a deep breath and exhale. So I'm working from the bottom, because they attach right at the clavicle, all the way up to the mastoid process, right behind the base of the skull. All right, so you're going to hold it for 8 to 12 seconds, and you work your way up. You coin rub and static hold, 8 to 12 seconds. Then slowly inhale and then exhale, and turn your head to the opposite side. And you want to do this on the opposite side now. So pinch, inhale, exhale, turn. It's easy. It's common for your fingers to kind of blip over the muscle. So just make sure your fingers are more lateral and not too anterior, because that's the carotid artery. You don't want to do that, because that could be a little dangerous. So pinch, inhale, exhale, turn. Work your way up, inhale, exhale. So about 8 to 12 seconds, you're going to hold this. All right, the next move is going to be a Scalenes Pin and Stretch. So you hook your fingers right in the front of your clavicle, the collarbone. So you want to, if I'm doing it this side, you want to inhale, exhale, relax. You turn your head to the same side. So you pin, you stretch, you shorten the muscle. You hook, inhale, and exhale and turn slowly. So you hook, so you shorten the muscle, you hook your fingers in, inhale, and exhale. And you do this all the way to the end of the collarbone. It can be tender. So you do that all the way to the end of it. And then you do the opposite side. Almost done. Third move we're going to do is an anterior scalenes stretch. So the scalenes, the anterior part, you got anterior, you got middle, and then posterior. So the anterior, you're going to take one palm and place it right below the clavicle, like your Pledge of Allegiance. The other hand goes right over that hand. Inhale, and then you do a neck extension. So you look all the way up, exhale. And then you want to slowly rotate to 1 o'clock. So you imagine like a clock So you want to turn your nose towards 1 o'clock. And then back to 12 o'clock. Don't forget to breathe. Then you do it again all the way to 2 o'clock. Back to 12. And then to 12 to 3. And you can repeat that a couple times. And then you do it on the opposite side. So you do the Pledge of Allegiance like this. Your index finger is right below the clavicle. The other hand goes right on top. Push down. Inhale, exhale, extension. 12. 1. 2. 3. So I can feel it pulling right through here. Again. So one thing to be very aware of is when you are doing this extension, you really want to kind of start with the chin tuck. That's when you tuck your chin. And then you do the extension, all right? I wasn't explaining that before, but now I'm just telling you. So 12 to 1, and 2, and 3. We do one more set. Good. The last move is a lateral flexion or side bend, ear to shoulder. So you're going to take this hand, place it above your ear, inhale, and then bring your ear to your shoulder. So you can take this hand and you kind of reach it down toward your knee. All right? If you were sitting, you could just hook your hand underneath the bottom of the seat of a chair. Okay? Down. Like anchor this hand down. Imagine you're holding weights. You could even hold some light weights, 5-pounder, dumbbell, or kettlebell, whatever you want. Inhale, exhale. So just 2 seconds. This is active isolated stretching. 2 seconds, 10 to 20 times, all right? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Five, 6, 7. So I can feel this whole pulling right here. 8, 9. Okay, you're going to do the opposite side now. Push your arm down. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm doing this, I can actually feel it pulling right here. So this is very effective. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's it. So that's 4 moves that will help you release the scalene muscles. All right? Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.